Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity in the real estate industry. Today I want to talk to you guys about a client that came to us that actually started a transaction with another lender. They had written an offer for a 17-day close because it was a very competitive property. They got it accepted, and 2 days into the transaction, they decided to switch over to the Mortgage Manfro team. We jumped into action. We didn't have much time to waste, so we got things moving on the loan. Halfway through, they started having some doubts about the property, and we had to have multiple conversations with them, basically helping them weigh the pros and cons of purchasing this home. We were able to basically tell them and show them that there's a very competitive market out there, and actually, like, if they were to turn this property down, it may be difficult to find another one at this price and also at this quality of homes. You know, we have to basically help clients understand what's actually happening out in the market. We're dealing transactions every day. We're seeing offers get accepted, offers not get accepted. We're seeing how difficult it can be. So helping clients understand sometimes, you know, what the actual market conditions are out there is actually spreading positivity, because it's helping them make the right decisions for them. So the positive note, they're gonna be closing this Friday. We cruised into the finish line. We actually got loan docs out yesterday, earlier than expected, and I'm just so excited. In the end, they're very thankful that we did have these conversations, and they're gonna be homeowners soon. So this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity in the real estate industry. Thanks for watching.